Hello everyone, welcome to Megguru. So in the previous class we have discussed about the error measurement. Okay, today we are going to discuss about the problems on error measurement. So problem chudandi. A mercury thermometer placed in oil well is required to measure temperature of compressed air flowing in a pipe. The well is 140 mm long and is made of steel. Thermal conductivity 50 watt per meter degree centigrade of 1 mm thickness. The temperature recorded by the well is 100 degrees centigrade. While pipe wall temperature is 50 degrees centigrade. Heat transfer coefficient between the air and the well wall is 30 watt per meter square degree centigrade. Estimate the true temperature. Okay, we have to find out the true temperature of the air, that means fluid temperature. First of all, we have to write down the given data. What is given in the problem? So 140 mm long. So length L equal to 140 mm. Next one, thermal conductivity of the steel K, and 1 mm of thickness. Thickness is denoted by delta. We have to convert this mm into meter. That means 0.14 meter, and similarly thickness 0.001 meter, and the temperature recorded by the well temperature is given. That means what? Well temperature is denoted by TL, temperature of the well. Next one, while pipe wall temperature is denoted by T naught, 50 degrees centigrade. Next one, heat transfer coefficient between the air and the wall. Convective heat transfer coefficient is denoted by small h equal to 30 watt per meter square degree centigrade. Now we have to find out the fluid temperature, fluid air temperature. Okay, the temperature of the fluid. The value of fluid temperature is found from the relation TL minus TF by T naught minus TF, that is equal to 1 by cos h ml. In this equation, the unknown values are m. But we know that the relation from error measurement m equal to h by k delta. Okay, substitute all values in the m. We know that h 30, thermal conductivity 50, and thickness is 0.001. Finally, m equal to 24.5. Okay, now ml equal to 24.5 into length 0.14, that is equal to, by solving, 3.43. Now substituting this ml value in this equation. TL minus TF by T naught minus TF equal to 1 by cos h hyperbolic of 3.43. All we know that temperature of the fluid and all temperatures, where TL equal to 100 minus TF. We have to find out the fluid temperature. 50 minus TF, that is equal to 1 by cos hyperbolic of 3.43. Okay, 100 minus TF, that is equal to 50 minus TF into, and this value 1 by cos hyperbolic of 3.43 value is, by solving we can get 0.0647. Further simplifying this equation, we can find out the TF value. That means 100 minus TF equal to 3.235 minus 0.0647 TF, and 100 minus 3.235, that is equal to TF minus 0.0647 TF. In this equation TF is common, so finally TF equal to, further simplification we can get this value, TF equal to 103.46 degrees centigrade. Okay.